Hello, good morning. This is a first of the life lessons video. This is called You with a Movie Camera. What is the meaning of this heading? You with the movie camera is that everyone is given a movie camera in hand. He can shoot the things he likes. For example, himself, how he wants to be. He can make a artificial set or go to a hilly place, a river, or build a house, set up a house, or a horse, elephant, possessing so much money, gold, storing it, so much land, cultivating. Go somewhere and shoot that he is cultivating like that. A selfie video. It is a video. Everyone can shoot with a camera in hand like that. What he wants. Suppose nature has a law that whatever you shoot in the video in your camera, I will give it to you as your life. It will come in the big screen, silver screen of the life, just in a movie theater. Big screen, that is life. A moving picture, as each one with a camera given, shoots that nature will give as a life. He will meet with such circumstances. He will get such possessions. So suppose that is there. That's what I believe. I believe with some conviction, things like that. So you can think about that, whether it is applicable to you. So if you, as time goes on, you apply this, then you will come to believe. So suppose there are two types of people. Those who are happy in life and those who are not happy in life. They go on with what they go on getting. So what's the difference? Difference is the first set, that's the positive, happy living people, shoots the movie he likes with the camera he is given by nature. He is free. He will always shoot it. The lens is always open and the camera is always recording the scenes it sees. So what happens to the successful people is he goes to the places he wants. That's a big house, big factory, big building, big computer setup, big farm, chicken farm, big agriculture farm, and he is selling and getting so much gold, money, etc. He shoots the movies of himself. A selfie movie, not anybody else's. What he did, what the Everest climbing people did. No. It's each person's mode. What you shoot a film of yourself, that is best that you like. You go to several scenes or you build a set and shoot yourself in that. Yourself. That is the process. So most of such people, those who want to shoot a good movie, they are called a good life. Oh, good movie. His life is very good. But what he does is he first uses the camera and directs the lens to the things he wants. He goes to the river, goes to the forest, to beautiful places. He builds a beautiful set and lives in that and shoots himself. So where is the camera? It is in your mind side, subconscious. There's no camera as such given. The camera is mind side. That's our eyes have got a lens, retina is a photographic plate like that, movie camera. Our eye is a movie camera. So that says all things are seen. But our mind is a movie camera given to us, which is shooting the life's big movie. So what happens is most of the people shoots with the inner camera, inner mind's eye camera. What they see around, and it is transmitted to the big screen of life as comes as a live. So already shooting is going on. So almost the lens is directed everywhere, looks everywhere. There is no particular movie shot by such second type of people get all troubles. Because the camera is completely making this movie. He doesn't know, does not believe in this inner camera. That is life comes. There's two type of people. So that is how the life's lesson, first lesson. This some people may ask, will all the people understand and do this? No, I don't think. Because after 50 years only, people have time for all this. After 50 years, they know somewhat what life is there. And they know that the life for them is 10 or 15 years. So they stop all the struggling and look for some truth in it. So still, some people don't realize this. So those who are above 50 years may try to understand this. Try to see all the full video. And they may try to understand. But their mind should be first prepared by long experiences. And they should look for the cause of life. So according to me, the cause of life is your own shooting with the inner camera. That is coming as your life. So every moment, everyone is shooting with the inner camera about his own life. His own life. So there is an inner camera. So this is applicable to every human being everywhere in the world, in all countries, all races, all languages. This is same. So this is life's lesson number 1. If you know this alone, this lesson alone, and try to understand this in about 1 to 2 years, 60% of the people will try to might understand this by repeatedly seeing this and thinking about it when the time comes in about 2 years. Some people may not understand this. For them, the chance is already gone. They may get some chance from somewhere else. But according to me, the opportunity is like this. Some door opens at a particular point of time. You have to get into that opportunity and win and go up. Otherwise, the chance is gone forever. So this is the first lesson, the inner camera.